Okay, welcome guys to the stream. So first of all, let me check my audio quality. I will. Now it should be better. I will turn off fan. Yes, now better. Okay, welcome. It is Sunday morning. It is cloudy day outside, but beautiful. Sunrise. Already sun is rised. Yes, already sun is rised. Morning. Well, today, guys, we will talk about JetBots. I have a JetBot development kit, so we will build it. Okay, let's see how it is. So you cannot see my screen. Why? We will fix it. Default. This one. Okay. Oh, it is big, right? It's big. Maybe fine, right? Maybe fine. Yes, that's my house. It's very unclear now, dirty. So let's go to JetBot AI kit NVIDIA. This one. So let me to give you a brief overview, okay? First of all, so this is a box. So it's written JetBot. It can do collision avoidance, object following, road following, teleoperation, face recognition. I didn't buy it, so I don't know the actual cost. My university, where I studied previously, they gift me for a certain time, for like 3 months. So I'm using them. So there is a manual, very good manual, and the producer is China. Almost all components are from China, except batteries. I bought batteries by myself because they are not ordinary batteries like AAA or AA or AAA. No, they are lithium batteries. I have heard that batteries are used usually for Tesla and autonomous driving. Actually, it's like something like this. It's the battery is something like this. Yes, it's similar to AAA, but it is much stronger, I think. And its name is just number. So number. The name of the battery is just number. So first of all, in order to run this JetBot, you need a Jetson Nano computer. Jetson Nano computer, yes. So these batteries are what I am talking about. And we need to buy this one and buy CSD card, and this is provided, and all things except batteries are provided in the box. So I have a Jetson Nano also. I have this one also. I bought a CD card. Actually, I had a CD card, but it seems like it has some troubles. Because when I flash the Linux, maybe Ubuntu, when I flash the Ubuntu to the CSD, it doesn't work. There's maybe some kind of problem with CSD. So I bought new one. So yeah, so we need to flash the OS to the CSD. So first of all, good start is, let me to flash that one to the CD card, and then let's talk about more about Jetson Nano. It's not readable? Okay. Come on. Eject. It's not readable. Why initialize them? Guys, let me make it screen smaller. Maybe this is right. It should work. It should work. It should work. So first of all, we need to download Jetson. I don't know which one to download. Let's try this small one. YouTube. What? It shouldn't ask me such a login thing. Getting started. No. Software setup. CSD. SD card. This one. Okay, let's do it in desktop. Okay, fine. It will take more faster. It should take faster. Then insert in your desktop machine user etcher. We need etcher. Download etcher. What is mine? OS. Mac OS. Wait, ARM64, x64. But it is M series. What? It's not working? My keyboard. MacBook M1. Is it built on ARM or x64? Oh, which version of ARM does M1 run on? It is on ARM, so we need to download ARM. Okay, desktop again. Yes, guys, we have Wi-Fi. We have Wi-Fi. We have Wi-Fi, so it's good. Don't I have a Raspberry Pi? Have I bought Raspberry Pi? No? Maybe I had a dream today where I was developing some kind of Raspberry Pi stuff. We should buy Raspberry Pi, okay? We should consider buying Raspberry Pi. Actually, they are not that expensive, especially if I buy in second-hand market. Okay, let's install this one. And where is it? Okay, it's in this window. Okay, I should drag and drop to applications. It means done. Okay, now etcher. Okay, we are running etcher. Is application download from internet? Are you sure you want to open it? Of course. Okay, this is our etcher. This is our etcher. We need to flash from. We can flash from file from URL. Oh, it means instead of downloading, we can just provide the link to URL. But it means it will anyway download and give to this CD card, to this target's SD card. It's the same way almost. What is this? Edge collect a limited amount of anonymous data to help us improve our user experience. You can auto in settings. Yes. I respect you now. Etcher, I respect you. Good application. Okay, Etcher is done. Showing folder. We need. I don't need this one. In MacBooks, problem is. It's always problem with memory. In my case, it's always problem with memory. Okay. Boot Jetson Nano. So we are inserting it, we are downloading it, we are use this one and flashing. Okay, we are in this step. Step 2, number 2, okay. Then remove CD card from your desktop machine. Boot Jetson Nano. Okay, now let's talk about the JetBot, okay. So it has very good instructions. So these instructions, you can check them very in good way, in easy way, if you go to GitHub, NVIDIA AI, IOT, and JetBot. So my friend and we did follow these instructions and build the robot already. So here it is. It's a bit ugly, not fancy. It has antennas, 2 antennas. Whoop. Now it looks good. It has 2 antennas, it has a camera, and it has special line to connect to the Jetson Nano. So if you look carefully, the above board is Jetson Nano. The below board is just, we can say just motor board, or board responsible for wheels, for antennas, yes, and displaying some figures here, and it has batteries, and it is connected to the second board. So this board gives power also to this board. So you can put the batteries on this board, and from batteries, the second one can execute, can work. So Jetson Nano, it seems Jetson Nano is not available now because NVIDIA stopped producing them. But in Jetson Nano, the good thing is that it has a pins where you can connect external embedded systems, embedded devices. Then it has a GPU, but I don't know how strong is it. You can connect using the micro, what is that? No, it's not Type-C, it's not Lightning, it is old version of Samsung and Android phones charger. It has internet port, it has 4 USB ports, 1 HDMI and one HDMI, and another one is another projector, old HDMI, we can say. Similar to HDMI, but in one side it's just rectangle. And something more. It's very beautiful. It's very beautiful. And guess who built this one? I mean, who manufactured it? Does NVIDIA in America or in their headquarters did this one? No. It is China, guys, China. And we have a fan also. Here you can see fan. When I turn on, it rotates automatically. When power comes to this line, to this wire, automatically the fan starts working. So I think it's just 1 or 0. It doesn't have a regulator. So that's it briefly. So we have 2 wheels, and inside of wheels there is a motor which rotates the wheel, and we have these 2 special mini rollers. They help to move. Okay, we have 13 minutes. So what we can do is that let's install batteries, guys. Let's install batteries by that time. I couldn't do streaming yesterday and maybe last 2-3 days because I was a bit busy with my exams. I got urgent exam to do because of admission, so I did took a IELTS exam, so I need to prepare for it, for writing, for speaking, etc. And it turns out my speaking become worse. That I'm not using C1 or C2 vocabs like, you know, remarkable or genuine or what. Instead of saying it is challenging, I have an obstacle. So it turns out for academics I need to have a good vocab and also to have a good score. So I tried my best in exam. Let's see. So I need a okay. I need a screwdriver. We have this screwdriver. Let's take the first layer and get this off and insert the batteries, 3 batteries, and then again put it back. Because we have 11 minutes. Yes, 11 minutes. We have 11 minutes of time. Wait. Oh, it should. Wait. It should be something like this. It seems this battery is bigger than the slot. Let's try one more time. It turns out we cannot insert it. It is bigger. Okay, we have 8 minutes. cannot put it. Battery's problem, I cannot put it. We can do another option. The problem is that place for putting the batteries is same. You can just put it, but inside there is a two metallic things which are really hard to move. So when I insert minus side to the corner, when I press it, it does move. But even though when I press it, it doesn't open enough room to insert the right side. Okay, where is my one screw bolt? One bolt. I need a bolt. Okay, I see my bolt. Why do we need a battery? We need a battery in order to give a power, right? To supply a power. How can we supply power except instead of giving battery? We can use charger instead of it. So we have this charger. In Nokia phones, if you remember, we used to have this kind of end. So we will plug in to the board using just our electricity. Okay, we need the battery. We need the power. Okay, here is it. We have plugged in. Oh, I need to fix one thing. Okay, good. I changed the box as a socket. I changed the socket, so 3 minutes left. It should work. It should probably work. Then what we can do? So we can do some kind of basic motions. So, question: how we can communicate with this JetBot? How? Through what we communicate with JetBot? Because it is a board. Okay, we have this controller. We can control it using what? What kind of signal or what kind of protocol, or is there a wire? We don't have a wire, so it's wireless communication. What kind of wireless communication we are using for it? Is it Bluetooth? Is it Wi-Fi? We have antennas, yes, but what is it? We should figure it out. And here we are saying to insert the IP address, so it's about Wi-Fi. So it's about communicating through Wi-Fi protocol. Okay, 2 minutes left. 2 minutes left. It's 7 a.m. Summer, autumn is approaching. Autumn is so beautiful in Korea. We need to drink a lot of water. Water helps. It is around 30 degrees outside. Oh, beautiful. Outside is beautiful. Okay, 13 minutes left. When we download it, we will flash it to the city. Decompressing the zip. No, we don't need decompress, guys. Don't decompress. 1984? Open target. Yes, this target. Flash. Need to. Okay. Okay. Oh, guys, it will take 26 minutes. Oh no. 62? Let's see. Look, they are seeing that it is the end of the table, so they should turn. Otherwise, they will fall down. This is fun. Actually, I want to look to the YOLO. YOLO. I want to look to YOLO, my YOLO. Because in training, my training is so bad regarding the efficiency. push press range because of this guy. No. Because of this. You can't see it. Properties. Okay, yes, now you can see. I think my memory is full. If screen is freezing or some kind of things are freezing, it means my memory is full, guys. That's the truth. Okay, how can we improve this for loop? Because as you know, Python is really slow, and when I use 2 for loops, it makes it incredibly slow. So we should never consider using this for loop. So instead, I believe there must be some kind of torch function which we can use and avoid using this for loop. If we achieve it, then we can train YOLO. Otherwise, we cannot train, guys. Okay, flashing takes some time, guys. So let it to flash, and we will debug the YOLO. Okay. We did YOLO, and we should finish it till the end. Okay. Yes, we have a training code, but it's not efficient. It's not optimal. So what we will do? We need to terminal. Okay, we have a terminal, so we should put it here. So then we should go to fun. We should go to local and then fun. No, for Umma. So fun, then YOLO ls. Okay, that's our YOLO get status git pull. Can I do pulling? Okay, I have everything. Okay, it means what is Pascal? Okay, test IOU. It means we are up to date. It means up to date. Good. So it may take some time, guys, but I ask you to be patient. Okay, let's go to Vim. Okay, we have a torch enough. Okay, why I'm using this range S and range S and this double range? So because we have a 2D object, it is, what was the size? What is the size? S7. We have 224 by 224 image, right? No, 7. So it was, 7 pixels. First one. Okay, 448 by divided 7 s 64. Yes. So because this label head has a special dimension. First is batch dimension. Second one is 7, 7, and then 30. Don't look to this 30. Someone is smoking, I think. I don't like it. Let me close my door. Okay. So label head is 7 by 7 and 30 and batch size. Okay. So my task is that I need to iterate. I need to iterate that it should be a label head batch 130. It means I need to squeeze, not, I need to flatten it. So it means I need to flatten it. Oh, hello Kartik, how are you? Happy Sunday. So here, one idea is that we should take label head and make it, is shaped as batch 7 by 7 30. Okay, and then just use one for loop. Then we can just iterate through this, not one, but this I, because it will be batch 49 30. See, this should work. Okay, now we should do this squeezing. I'm doing good, thank you very much. I'm doing good. I had the exam yesterday, so I was a bit nervous yesterday, so I didn't do any streaming, any IT stuff. So yesterday I was just doing IELTS preparations. So, but today I'm fine. Today I'm very good. I'm in good mood. What is this? Okay. Okay, we need to create. Mark is not set. What is this, guys? Something wrong, guys. It's because of Tmax. I don't have Tmax, right? Now we have Tmax, guys. Now we have a Tmax, okay? Yes, now we have Tmax. So our task is that, guys. Let's import the torch. Our lovely torch. No module named torch. Okay, we have trouble here. I have some problems with my IPython. Import torch. Okay, we have a torch. Okay, let's say our y is equal to torch dot rand n. Let's say batch size is 8, 7, 7, 30. Y dot shape. Because that's our shape. So our target is that we need to make this y we should apply such transformation to y that it will be 8, 49, 30. So what we can do? So I think it will be just y dot flatten at index 2. Oh, just wait. Index 2 dot shape. No, it's wrong. It is also wrong. 1 and 2. 1 and what? No. Okay, 1 and 2. So we need to prove it. So let's prove it. Okay, we have a guest at my house. I don't know, where is your towel? Maybe it's outside. Use your clothes then. I don't remember. Okay, we have this shape, right? Let's take the number 0 and let's compare it with y, everything, 0, 0, everything. Okay, shape doesn't match. Oh, it should match. Okay, let me to check the shape. Okay. The 49, 30. No. It should be. Give me everything. 0, everything. Now fits, right? Now works. Can you see it? You cannot see it. Okay, guys, tell me if you cannot see it. Sorry. Yes, it is working, guys. We have proved it. Everything is true. So it means, what does it mean? That we need to go to Vim train and then go to here and then here. Label hat is equal to label hat Latin 1, 2. Yes. So now it means we have a batch 49, 30. So then it means you can just use range 49, remove this range, and oh, we need to transform through it also. Yeah, no problem. Okay. Flatten double T, not triple T. Okay. Good. So it helps us, it guarantees us that to give page size 49 set good. B range. What is a B? B maybe a bounding box. Yeah, it was true. Okay. Okay. Out through head. Probably it should work, guys. How do you think? I think it should work. Let's just write it and create new one. And just Python. Okay. I think it should work. Loaded all annotations, fine. Oh, list object has no attribute. So it turns out our label head is just list. It's not torch tensor. Where is the y head? Ah, because of this one. No, guys. If I have such a stupid problem, please tell me. Okay, now it should work. Now it should work. Do you want to introduce yourself?
No,
Why?
just enjoying watching your streaming.
Okay, okay. Have a good day. Look, it's taking 11 seconds for one epoch. It's not good. 11 seconds. It means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 seconds for one epoch. In order to have good accuracy, we need maybe 100 epoch. Just it's my guess. So let's see. Oh, see how my GPU is like temperature increased to 78, 75. Why epoch is not increasing? I mean, this 0 stays as 0. Let's check it. Print. Next print. Okay, epoch. Okay, we have this epoch, but where is epoch? Okay. For epoch. Oh my god. It's not epoch, it is one batch. One batch is taking 23, 21 minutes. Yes, it loss is decreasing. Might be it is learning. But overall, optimization is bad here. Our optimization is bad. So, okay, let's enhance calculation of loss function. Okay, how can we remove this for loop also? We removed one for loop. We fix that one, but how to remove this one? Class condition. So we have here also two for loops. We need to eliminate this for loop. Let's try to eliminate this for loop. How do you think? Can we eliminate? Can we eliminate? How do you think?
Ortaya Josh ballağı toplama gelato, il canale che ho organizzato. Cosa prende? Jetson Nano for babies.
Livebot had. There should be a way, guys. I'm sure. Look, for B, we need to take what? This is fine, but we need to take certain B, certain B. Then outro. We don't need this brackets. Then have here intersect over union. Mean square error x and y. Mean square error height and width and height. Okay, this is taking time. This is taking too much time. Okay, this might be a problem. What we can do? Okay, anyway, we need to iterate through each example. Through each of 49. So this one a bit trivial to replace this for loop. But we should be able to replace this one. Maybe it's because of intersect over union. Do you think because it is because of intersect over union? Let's look to this intersect over union. Intersect over union. I mean, where is the bottleneck? Where is the bottleneck here? Do you see any bottlenecks? I don't know the function convert B box. It seems too much individual. Torch max, torch max, torch mean, torch mean. Can we work P box? It would be good if we can work in, without any for loops, just matrix multiplication, just matrix manipulations. That's really good. Look, we have that batch 49 and 30, right? What if we just say, okay, it's tricky now. It's going to be tricky, but let's submit this one first of all. Split it. Split it. Split it. Split it. Okay, I agree. Okay, I agree. Okay, git commit let's try to put good commit name. Eliminate extra for loop by using flatten. I think it's quite descriptive. Git push. Okay, good. Good vim dot train. Now we need to do it seriously, okay? We still have 11 minutes, 10 minutes time. Okay, I want to do a risky job and say, okay, class condition true is label true. Everything and until C, okay? Class cond add label head everything until C, till C, yes, until C, yes, fine. So what I want to do is that I just want to do the whole operations for this multi-dimensional matrix multiplication without splitting it into the separate calculations. I know it's tricky. I know it is difficult. But I don't know it's possible or not. So let's go. I think it seems like we can do it. I feel that we can do it. Oh. Okay, for these guys, it's done, no problem. No, let's not delete them, okay? Let's not delete them. Okay, now, in our loss function, we have several loss to calculate and then to accumulate and then get a backwards. So let's think about this score. MCEXY is equal to this function, to this formula. So we need to replace this formula with efficient way. MCE dot x and y equal true. X true, x hat. What is x true and x hat? Okay, x true. We need x true. x true is labeled true, everything c plus b multiply 5 and c plus b plus 1 multiply 5. And x true here is 5 plus 1 . Okay, we are depending to b, but b is here. Problem. C plus b multiply 5. It gives a range, right? It gives a range. Okay, we need to eliminate this b. I don't like this b. Why I did a b? What we can do? Okay, we have c. I think it's simple, guys. I think it's just simple. Look. What is x2 actually? B can be what? B can be only just 0 or 1, okay? I already know what is B. B can be 0 or 1, okay? Now, act respectively. So, C plus B multiply 0. What is that? B multiply 0 multiplied by 5. 0. C, what is that? 20. 20. Done. This is x true. X true 1, okay? Let's say x true 1. What is that? 25? No. 26. 26, 1, 27, 2, 28, 29, 30. Yes, 26. If I do something like that, then x through 1 minus x hat. And we need to get the square root. Okay, guys. Let's be gentlemen. X hat. Give a place. Label hat. 0, 0, 26. 20 years. X hat 2. Label hat all 26. Label, I forgot L. We need to fix our posture and continue. Hush, okay. Y had 1, x to 1, I had 1. Okay, multiply by 2. And then plus y through 1 minus y hat 1 by 2 and then object exists. And should I do like that? What? 21? Actually, it doesn't matter. Actually, it doesn't matter that much. Yes, 0, 20, 21. True. You know what we can do? Now it is much readable, right? Guys, do you agree? Do you agree? 22. Twenty-three, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Score head. Score. Everything 24. See, now we have a bug. Now we can fix a bug. See, it is 25. Alhamdulillah. Y true 2. Label true. Okay. We need to exercise. We need to do exercise. Okay. Let's complete this thing. 27. H. 28. 29. What? H had 1. Guys. Last, okay, last. Okay, 26, 27. Start 2. Okay, finally. Actually, we should get rid of this. we should get rid of this and put it here. Anyway, doesn't matter now. Doesn't matter, guys. It's fine. X head through. X Y head. Okay. Here problem comes with this squaring, I think, because we want to square it only in certain dimension, not on whole dimension. let's work on it. Look, we have this y, right? Oh, just wait. Y dot shape. Let's say we have x, it is y. 0, 0, 30. Let's take the 0, 20, 20. I want to say it is in another way. Okay, 8 by 7. We have 7 examples. If I use x square, it's good, right? I mean, it's oh, we did it. A new step is starting validating. Can we skip? We can skip. Do you want to skip, guys? Do you want to skip? I don't know. For me, it's better to let's tackle this problem. If I use square, it's fine, isn't it? I mean, it seems fine, guys. Using square looks fine. Seems fine, guys. Seems fine. I don't know. Take this whole and D and P, and then take this whole. Okay. Now, guys, go back. Okay. I think our mean square error x and y is working, but we need this is x through 1, y hat 1, y through 1 object exists, right? And then we need mean square error x and y. No, let's just make it exists. Let's make it plus. So, what? Wait. What is object exist? Who brought it? Wait. Object exists. What is this? It is score true. Score true. Score true 1, score true 2. Score true 1. Score true 2. Fine. Object exists is used is deprecated. 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 Use score. Use genuine. 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 Do I have a spelling mistake? Genuine. 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 Truly, what something is said to be. Authentic. Genuine. Authentic. Okay, thank you very much. Reclama, advertisement. Wait. Genuine. Genuine. Okay, now mean square error. Mean square error x and y should work. The same can be applied to width and height. Okay. Let's say just now. Okay, it's fine with them. We can implement this one also. I don't see a problem here. What about this one? Score true. Okay, it is a bit serious. Let's do it. Mean square error on score equal to object this, and then score true, score head. Score true minus score head. Okay. Score true is a kind of confidence score. We should provide it. In order to provide such confidence score, we need to calculate it. Intersect over union score. Intersect over union score, okay, let's say. So it's equal to, I would just use intersect over union, and then what we need to provide? We need to provide out true. What is out true? Out true is label true. So it means we need to go to label, add label true, and say everything between what, 20 and 25, isn't it? Yes. Do you think it's correct? Seems fine. Then label head, label head should be everything 20 to 25. Do you think it will work? Yes, we need to provide image size also. Image size equal to 448, s equal to s. Can my intersect over union support multi-dimensional calculations? I think no, it doesn't support. It doesn't support. Okay, problem comes with that one. Other than that, fine. But guys, so to sum up, guys, problem comes with intersect over union. So if we fix problem with intersect over union, other problem seems super easy to tackle with. Okay, so we need to fix intersect over. We should fix, or we should optimize the intersect over union function, which we built in previous streams, in such way that it works for multi-dimensional arrays. Let's use our reasoning skills, some mathematical skills. I need to buy a milk. Okay. Who drinks milk? Who likes drinking milk? I think if you have a cow in your house, you don't like drinking milk that much, I think. But if you buy milk from market, from market or from the mall, supermarket, you like drinking milk. I'm eating yogurt. Actually, we don't call it yogurt. It is katık. QATIQ. I think my screen freeze, no? My screen is freezed. Okay, now it looks good. Now it looks fine. Okay, are you ready? Let's go. Let's tackle it. So first of all, let me understand it more clear. What's the exact dimension? Where I am. So we have x, right? No. So it's our y, right? This is our y shape. You can see it, right? So what I want is that, let's actually reshape it, okay? Flatten 1 and 2. I am saying what x equal to y dot y everything 22 25. 3 dimension should be okay. 8 49 5. So from here we need to calculate okay, assume we have two same dimensional arrays, like 8 49 5 in one way. This is A, and we have the same dimension, but it is our predictions. So we need to find the relationship between each other. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. No, it should be 4. 20, 21, 22, 23. Yes, 4. We have 4 and 4. It is a cubic. It is a rectangle. So we need to find the intersect for each one, and so our result should be 8, 49, 1. Okay, this should be our result. That's our target point. So then, let's check our function. I don't see that it's that big problem. Okay. Let's say our truth B box has shape of batch normalization 49. Let's say 7 by 7 and 4. Flat B box has B 7 by 7 4. Okay, so now output should be B 7 by 7 7 by 7 and then 1. Okay, first task is that we have to separate. No, we have to convert each B box to XY substantials. Okay, I passed that through box to convert B box. It comes here. It says B box dot T transpose. Let's check it. Look, we have a B 7 by 7 and 4, and I call T. What should it do? It means B 49 4, and we call T. It should change all its dimension and order. So it should be 4 B 7 by 7. Why I think so? Because T is like clockwise, should work clockwise. So therefore 4 comes first and others are moved just to 1. I think my screen is freezed again. Okay. If my screen freezes, guys, write, okay? It's very bad experience for you and for me. Okay. We already know what's our x, right? No, okay, sorry to print whole. P is that x, right? And I say x dot t dot shape. And we can validate it here. Do you agree with me or not? Let's check it. 4, 49, 8. Okay. It changed the position, changed the order between 4 and 8. But 49 stays same. It says what? Please use to mute. We need to assign and return, right? Okay, let's say Z. I don't have good names. So Z is equal to x dot permute. Third dimension should come first. Then zero dimension, then first dimension. Okay, that's what I want, and then I'm saying x1, y1, height, width and height is equal to what? Z. Then x1 shape. I expect this one to be, you know, it should be 8. And it should be 1, 8, 49. But it's just 849. Can we omit one dimension? Maybe yes. Maybe yes, guys. Permute. It doesn't hurt that much. Permute 201. So what's the dimension for example, for x1? We say it's batch size, and then 7 by 7, and same, so that y2 is also b 7 by 7. The same works for this one also. X3. Okay, for now it seems fine, but here now we need to figure out this one. Torch max. Maximum between x1 and x3. But for which dimension? But for which dimension? That's the question. That is a question. Oh my god, my screen. It's good we have 0 dropped frames. Smack x mean. We need x max x that in dimension number 1, not in batch. Why I'm thinking so? Why it is should be in not in batch size, but it is should be in that 7 by 7, 7 times 7. Because it's individual examples. Ignore. Okay, completed, guys. Congratulations. So now what I should do is that I should detach it, get SD card, and oh, it's too hot, and I should put it to the JetBot. Okay. JetBot. Okay, I've put it. I've put it. Then I need to get the charger cable and plug it to the JetBot, and then use my HDMI. So guys, I will turn off my camera, my HDMI, connect to the JetBot, connect to JetBot, look to my camera, okay? Let's make the camera bigger. Okay, turn it on. I have turned it on. Fan is working. So what I want to see is that now CD card is flashed, right? CD card is flashed. So information on CD card should be provided to the Jetson Nano. So Jetson Nano will read it. Jetson Nano is now doing BIOS stuff. It means it has hardware, right? Jetson Nano has a hardware, and it has privileges of controlling these hardwares. And these privileges, like controlling the let's say the pins, controlling the HDMI or another port, all belongs to Jetson Nano now. But now, in booting place, it should transfer all this responsibility to the operating system, which is inside of SD card. Now, if it transfers successfully, then it's good. I don't see any, I don't see now any debugging stuff, we can say. I don't know what's happening now here. I need to debug it actually, I should carefully debug. Okay, blood. It is mosquitoes. It's most probably my blood. Now what we can do? For now, let's turn off it. Why? Because let's not overcomplicate things. Let's just run the Jetson Nano. I'm now connecting Jetson Nano only. And then can use it. Now it's working. Now it's also working because I just running the Jetson. No, actually it should work. Why it's not working? Let me connect my keyboard to the Jetson Nano. No, it's not giving power. It's not allowing to give a power. Jetson. Okay, we have a problem. We have a problem. Actually, it should work. Okay, let's just extract the board from the extract Jetson Nano from this board. We are wasting time too. We are wasting our time. We should not do like that. So how to remove camera? How to remove camera? Guys, I know. Sorry. Oh, where is the bolt? Where is the bolt? I don't see. I lost it. I lost the bolt. Where it can go? See, I found it. I found it. I disconnect the camera. Now let me to remove the fan. Fan. I need a bigger screwdriver. Who has bigger screwdriver? Screwdriver. Bigger screwdriver. Bigger. Hello Furkan, how are you? We are building JetBot. This is JetBot. A problem now is that I flashed to SD card the operating system provided from JetBot GitHub. But now when I give a power to it, it's not running. There is some kind of problem inside. So I'm opening it, so I want to see what's wrong. Okay, this is fan. I remove extract fan. I'm from Turkey. Yes, hello. I like your name, Furkan. It's from Surah. Furkan means criterion. Like threshold, criteria. Like, for example, let's say if we are evaluating, let's say, machine learning algorithm with mean square error. So Furkan is equivalent for the mean square error, kind of. Correct me if I'm wrong. So we need to read this one. This is Jetson Nano, guys. Jetson Nano. I need to read something. 2 bolts, it connects to it. We can remove 2 bolts, okay. I want to be artificial intelligence developer. How should I proceed? I know Python, Pandas, machine learning and deep learning like GANs, LSTMs. Can you give me idea for roadmap? What are you interested in doing? For example, let's say, do you like generative AI? Or do you enjoy doing these GANs? Do you like working with text? I would suggest just simply get a paper, implement a paper which you like, and do it incrementally. For example, you like paper, let's say GPT-3 paper. In order to implement GPT-3, you need to implement, let's say, GPT-2 or GPT or even lower models. So if you do this paper implementation, you will eventually improve your skills very well. That's what I am doing. Okay, how we can connect it? Okay, I see it. Oh, it opens, but it doesn't. Okay, I removed. This is brain. It turns out this is brain. There must be an artificial intelligence field that I can use and robust enough to work on Amazon. What do you recommend? There must be an artificial intelligence field that I can use and is robust enough to work on Amazon. Wow. This is beautiful, guys. There must be an artificial intelligence field that I can use and is robust enough to work on Amazon. What do you recommend? Maybe try multimodal stuffs. Or maybe try agentic stuffs. I have 2 Stanford certificates and I am trying to improve myself. I would be happy if you could give me. I'm trying. Try to do some kind of big projects to show your skills. Maybe try some kind of, audio analysis, or like text to speech, speech to text stuffs, maybe. Oh, okay. Thank you. So yeah, I'm actually I also want to improve my skills. So I'm doing stream, and actually I'm more about interested in understanding the hardware now. So I'm doing this hardware stuff, but I definitely like the software stuff also. I think maybe try models which you want to do. Maybe like, do you want to build diffusion models? Try to build diffusion models. I mean, there are very small percentage of people in the world who actually do programming and understand everything. And try to be like that. For example, get a stable diffusion model or paper, read the paper and try to implement. That will help a lot, I think, definitely. And try to contribute to open source. Nowadays, open source is very, very hot and good way to make a good connection with people. Try to do that. I would suggest try maybe some complex GAN models. Which one? Like style GANs? What's the recent GANs? I forgot. Some kind of style GANs. Try to implement transformer. What is flash attention? Something like that. And you will eventually become the good one, good person, good developer. Okay, I plug it to the board, but board doesn't work as I wanted because of some reason. And when I connect to, okay, let's see. I have this one. Could you please write which field you suggest as a path? I couldn't understand. Okay, just wait. So I will try to make it clear. Give me some time. I need to connect my screen. Properties. Restart. Okay. You can see my screen, right? Okay, yes. I'm from Uzbekistan. Okay. So this is basic idea, and you can start maybe from easy stuff. You said you did LSTMs, then maybe you also did maybe RNN also. Maybe just implement the transformers in NumPy or Torch without importing it to maybe style GAN, other GAN models, 3 speech to text, text to speech. Okay. My screen freeze something sometimes. Text to why YOLO, bro? Don't you want to use RoboFlow? The idea is not using RoboFlow. Idea is to understand, improve skills. So therefore, I mean, it's not a problem for a person and for a monkey to say from RoboFlow import YOLO. I know I can use it and I can just make a dataset and train on using this one. It's convenient, it is faster, but I want to understand everything behind the scene, so therefore I'm doing it. I know it is difficult, it is not always fun. So that's what I want to recommend to you, basically. If you want, you can go to maybe what is now agents. What else? Multi-models. Multi-models. Or another good thing is open source contribution. So that's the idea what I want to share you. Basically, this is a roadmap. Get a paper, any paper which you like, which you can understand, and which is not that difficult. Try to find a balance between not that easy, not that difficult. Something in between, where it is okay to tackle the problem, but not that easy. If it is easy, it means boring a little bit for you. If it is too hard, it is maybe taking too much time, too much effort, and no results. That's basically that's the idea. Actually, this one I got it from George Holtz. He advised to do this one. This one is interest and open source contribution. Try open source contribution as you can. For example, you use some kind of open source tool repository and it helped to your project and you want to improve it, go and do it. People will be happy. People will be happy for it. So okay, let's go back to our construction. It is our brain. So we need to connect it. So it has a pins, very small pins. So we need to connect to the port. This is our port. You can see it. I know, it's difficult. Please be patient. Let's disconnect this one. What do I need to do to get a good internship like you? Yeah, see it. Good internship. Just keep going, bro. I mean, do it every day. Do what, like, do the projects, do the papers, and go to the GitHub and do open source. Just stay active and stay active on LinkedIn. Maybe it also helps. So generally that's it. Like, there's no secret anyway. There's no that secret which some successful people hide from general people. There is no such secret. It's just sleep less, do more, done. I really like how they did it. I mean, it's not Nvidia did this one. It's China did it. LinkedIn linkimi atsam yorumalın mısın? Yorumal. Do you mean to connect on LinkedIn? You can search Sardor Abdirahimov and you can get it. Would you comment if I sent my video comment? I'm sorry, I took so much time of your time, even though it was short. I mean, yeah, I will connect. I will connect. Just send. Okay, so now we need to connect this one. Amazing, guys. Okay, now it's connected. Let me to plug it in. We have a cable. We need adapter. We have adapter. Okay, then we connect it here. And I need this one. Check it. Okay, it seems it's not working. Let's connect it. Do we have it? Mode chon mode. I don't understand it. I mean, why it's not working? What is that? Simons. Simons. I haven't heard about that. Simons. Let's check it. Simons. Oh. Simons. A global technology leader driving innovations in industry. Wow, too fancy. What does it do? I mean, what does it do, that program? I see Simon's website. "3D printing redefines the interior industry." Simon's. I don't know. I haven't heard about that one. I mean, now this board has a power. And USB is connected. And why it's not running? Interesting. Okay, let's do another thing. Let's do another thing. Maybe this Jetson Nano is broken. Maybe it's just broken, no? How can I change the power? Check the power. I'm stuck, guys. I'm stuck. Let's ask internet. I have Kyrgyz friends here. Are you good term with them? Kyrgyz. I had a Kyrgyz friend also. We studied together undergrad, but not that much close with them. Jetson Nano. Why it is not giving power to the USB port? I like Chingiz Aytmatov. He's from Kyrgyz. Okay. Jetson Nano USB port not working, yes. Refresh the CD card with the new installation of OS. Check and confirm a power supply is adequate 5 volts, 4 amplitude, 4A. Connected to Jetson Nano with serial port from the Windows host for command line access. Maybe it's because of power supply. How I can check that my power supply is 5 volts? I mean, I have this USB. Maybe it's type B. People call it type B. Maybe power is bad. Maybe it's not enough power. It seems like it's not enough power. It's just not enough power. Power. What I can do? Do I have another one? So if we have a power problem, then we can use our batteries. Okay, we have a batteries, right? We can just use batteries. So I have a batteries, special batteries. If we connect special batteries, they are designed that they should give enough power, quite enough power. So so these ones should definitely fix a problem with power supply, with power requirements of 5 volts. Actually, that charger should give also 5 volts. I don't know why it's not working. Maybe my adapter giving not enough power? No. Okay, it is about electrical engineering. We need to plug it to here. No. Okay, one battery is connected. Okay, it's difficult. The second one is connected also. Now the third battery. Third battery. Oh, we did it! We connected batteries, okay? I have a batteries now. It means we can process. Okay, if we have batteries. Problem is that board is different from this board. So we need to again attach it to each other. So. Kartik Thakur, your friend. Maybe we have worked. Okay, now. So now we need to be careful because ground 5 volt, 5 volt, right? 5, 5. 5, 5. Okay, fine. If I do something like this, turn the power on. No, it's not working. If I turned it on, it's not working. Wait. Board is connected. Giving, not giving, not giving, right? So, is power fine? Yes, power is fine. I mean, what I forgot? What I think I forgot? If batteries are connected, they should already be working, no? I turned it on. Let's plug it in. How should I connect it? Okay, it should be like this. To where? Five volts. I have only 3, but here is 4. Interesting. Okay, there's no power coming to my board. No power. Why no power? I mean, no, there's no problem with power actually. I know a little about Flutter and the desk application Flask React. So I decided to focus on one area because I am confused. No problem, I'm waiting, bro. You are successing bot program. Okay. If you like desktop applications, try to build desktop applications. I watched one video. One guy built render for a black hole. So he used the GPU, and he talks with GPU through the C language, and he makes a rendering. So it was like, if there is a black hole, it means everything is goes to inside the black hole. Even light, everything should goes inside. So he did such program. I saw it on GitHub and I said, wow, good. It was good inspiration for me. Because see, it's how cool idea. And you don't need that much strong GPU. I think the problem is just with CD. No, it's not working. It's not working, guys. It's not working. I'm upset. I think problem is that my Jetson is maybe broken. It's broken. My Jetson seems like broken. No, it's wrong. It's wrong idea. It's wrong idea. Maybe I should unplug the another socket, put it here, and then connect another cable. Battery doesn't work. We used battery, but it seems it's not working. It's not enough. I think my Jetson Nano is broken. But we have good news, you know. News what I haven't told to you is that actually we have another Jetson Nano, okay? It's secret, it is not mine. It is my friends of mine. He's now in my house. I mean, like, he stays at my house for some time. So I'm thinking, if problem is not with power, then problem might be just because my Jetson is somehow broken, or it has some kind of internal problems. So to verify that my SD card works well, let's open this new Jetson Nano. Let's plug it to this Jetson Nano and run. If it works, it means our Jetson is broken, guys. Let's not waste the time. It's already 9 a.m. No, it's not working. Or maybe just, guys, we should just give it like 1 to 2 minutes just to help it to set up. Maybe that's a problem. To verify it, let's check website. Okay, now my I don't have a second monitor now, so I need to change my properties to this one. Okay, that's me. Yellow, no, we don't need. This one we don't need. I need feedback, right? If I close it, I cannot see your commands, guys. Let's make it bigger. It's saying refreshing. Jetson Nano. 4G. Maybe it's because we did 2G. Okay, Simons. Goodbye, Simons. Goodbye, Simons. No. YOLO, no. Okay, here's a JetBot. Examples, road, community examples. No, not. I mean, not examples, guys. Let's go to something simpler. So this is our JetBot, and then option 2. Hardware setup is done. Software setup. But guys, let's read it carefully. Maybe something missing is here. Is there a video on YouTube about installation? Good. Maybe it's because of maybe I made a mistake here. To use one of JetBot's SD card image based on Jetpack 4.5, you first need to boot your JetBot Nano using plain JetBot 4.5 SD image and run through the operating system setup. One-time configuration which enables you to use SD card image based on JetBot 4.5 on the device. Find an original. Wow, stupid. Is that saying don't use this one? Use first this one. Let's choose this one. 4G, okay? Oh, how much? How much it cost? Stopped? Why? Yes. Why stopped? Maybe because we don't have enough memory. Oh my god, my memory. Memory issues, guys. It doesn't matter if I have memory issue. There's always solution, guys. There's always solution. We can figure it out and we can fix it. Show in folder. Yes, it's causing a lot of problems. How much? What's the size of this? 25? Oh my god, it's 25 gigs. Therefore, my CD card is just 32 gigabytes. And see, my screen is freezed. Actually, that's not my screen now. Maybe I should consider buying some kind of bigger SD card. Why it's so difficult to run this JetBot stuff? Okay, let me to refresh my screen. And now it's working. It also depends because of my hardware. Because you know, my external external USB drive has old technology, so it means access to write and read is slow comparing to the memory inside the computer. So therefore, speed turns out to be so slow. So it means it takes a lot of time. Basically, it means it takes a lot of time. What about if I don't do this one? Okay, guys, let's do a smart thing. Actually, it should be zip file. Where is zip file? I mean, I downloaded the zip file initially. Here? No. No. I said in desktop. Storage. Where is trash? Trash. Trash 10 gigs. I mean, I need this one. Let's delete this one, okay? Let's delete this 26 gigabytes. We don't need this one. Oh my god. I'm showing personal stuff, so I should not do like that. Sorry guys. I need to recover. Delete showing folder. So we take this zip file and we should move it alpomish. Nope. Okay guys, I need to hide my screen. Turns out it's safe. I don't want to show my personal stuff. It's not what I intended to do. Then okay, I am moving the Jetson Nano. Jetson Nano stuff. Finder. Yes, I know, it's screen dark. But I don't want to show my personal documents. It's not. I think it's not a good idea. So let me to move all files here. Once I move it, then I will basically clean my memory from my computer and then install the original version of original version of the JetBot operating system. Actually, we should build operating system, guys. We should build operating systems. I was thinking, you know, when I was in high school, when I was in Lyceum, in undergrad, that low-level language is difficult. But when actually I check it, it is not that difficult, and it's not that simple. I know, it's not that super simple, but it's not difficult, guys. Because we have so many layers, you know, in this technology. And maybe first layer we can say it is, you know, first layer we can say it is front end, back end stuff. But if you go to lower layer, it is operating system, drivers, it is instructions, assembly, the instruction set. So if you can manage to understand all this stack, you are powerful. I mean, you can call yourself a software engineer. Okay, we moved it. Okay, we moved it. Have it here. So now then, we need to clean the storage, trash storage, empty trash, emptied. Okay. Network connection is lost. Okay guys, I'm downloading 2 gigs because my CD, because SD is very small. I'm a bit afraid to download 4 gigabytes because if when we extract that 4 gigabytes of file, maybe it become 30 gigs, so that I have very little storage for RAM, then it might be trouble. So therefore I'm doing just 2 gigs, downloading 2 gigs, and then we will check it. Okay, problem. Okay, I was using the second Jetson Nano, right? So it turns out problem is not with Jetsons. Problem is not with hardware. Problem is just with installing, flashing the right operating system. That's a problem. Keras layers. Yeah, Keras layers are also important. I mean, in the end of the day, Keras layers depends on what? Depends on the processor's instruction set and processor's power, right? What is the number of cores and how it works. I mean, if we go to the basics of computation, what is a computation then? I mean, basics of that computation and how we got here. What brought us to this revolution of technology? I mean processors, not preprocessing, processors. I mean processors. Okay. It's 6 gigs. It's downloading, right? You can see it, right? My screen is not freezing, right? Okay. Good, good, good. Okay, what I can do? I was fixing a bug. We should fix a bug. We should fix a bug. Guys, you don't believe how weather outside is so good, you know. It's time, you know, you need to go outside. Just wear a cap and bring some small water, cup of water, or you don't need even a cup of water. Don't leave your phone, leave everything except a pen and pencil, and paper, and go outside and just run and go maybe 20 kilometers or 30 kilometers. Just run and see outside how it's beautiful. It's not that hot. It's an excellent time now is to go outside, to doing hikings, doing these picnics, or you know, going to another city. Adventure. It's time for adventure. So we need to do it quickly and go doing adventure outside. We should not sit in front of the computer too much. Okay, it's downloading, it's good. However, while it's downloading, we can work on YOLO debugging. Are you interested in YOLO, guys? Maybe you are smarter than me. Okay, let me to switch to another screen. Yep, good. What is this? Docker? No, no Docker, guys. We don't care about Docker. It's downloading, right? It's good. Plane. Yes, there are planes, actually. There is a plane. Actually, there is a... Actually, you cannot fly a drone nearby where I live, because we have here military place. And actually, in this area where I live now, there is no tall buildings at all. In the radius between near the military base. So they do a lot of training. So they fly every time and they do some kind of maneuvers and go back. So they are training because, you know, political situation. South Korea, North Korea. Okay, that's not that. It should not bother us that much. Okay, what is that? Guys, let's go and work on this intersect over union. It's working partially, but we need to make it sure it works for everything. Hush, 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 hush. I need to verify this one. Torch.max. You can see it, right? No, you cannot see it. You can see it, right? Okay. So, torch.max, right? In dimension 1, it should work or not? Does it work? Does it work or not? x1.shape. So, okay, torch.max. x1 dimension 1. It is working, and it's giving 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 numbers. No, I want it to work on dimension 2 then. Dimension 0. I mean, what is the x1 shape? 8 by 49, right? So dimension 1 is 49. Look. No? Am I making problem? Is there a problem? If I put 0, it is 49. But 49 is not 8. What time do you sleep, my friend? Isn't it late there too? Oh, it is morning. It is morning. It is 8 a.m. We slept already. It is morning. It is a bit hot now already. And I think you should sleep because maybe time difference is 8 hours with you, maybe 6 hours. Something 6, maybe 6, 7, 6 to 7 maybe. Okay, here's a problem. I don't understand. What if I say torch.max? Gives only one value. And I say 1. 329. It means 15. Is it 12 hours difference? For 6 hours, 6 hours, 6 hours. Yeah. Oh. Import pdb.set trace. What is this? Maybe you mean equal to instead of something. Line 180. Line 180. 180. No, just wait. I forgot to input square brackets, and then image size should be like this, and in the end it should be something like this. For B. Okay, we have some problems we need to tackle. Let's, for simplicity, just make it whole as a comment. Let's check it now. Okay, seems like working. Yeah, Furkan, you need to sleep. Hosh. X, Y with height. Too much value to unpack. B box. I mean, we have just 4 values. maybe there is a problem with what I'm passing to. Problem comes with this one. Replace 4. Replace 4. I have x1. Shape is something like this. And then I'm saying torch dot maximum x1, x3, dimension equal to 0. So should I get rid of that one? Oh, good! Okay, now it should work fine. And this should also work. So it seems like this should all work fine. Then we need to test it. Okay, we will test it. What is the name of the... Oh my god. Last question, how old are you, bro? I am... How old I am? 23, 22? So, torch. Pascal. We need to verify this insert over union. Insect over union. Okay. Then Q Python from train import intersect over union. Okay. Yes. Import torch. Oh, should I have a torch already? No? Okay. We don't have a torch already. Import torch. Okay, we have a torch. Then. We need to check whether intersect over union works fine or not. Let's make it the example, okay? Example 1 is torch. No, just wait. I am not that proficient with torch. I need to be careful with torch. So let's say origin is 0, 0, 10 and 10, okay? Yes. That's example, okay? Example 1 equal to this one. Then example 1 button times. I mean, I want to copy it. Example 1 10 times. I mean, let's do 8 times. What's it called? B box 1 equal to this one, torch dot tensor. What? Torch dot tensor 8 times 8 times 8 times. Look, first from file desktop. Oh my god, 13 gigs. Flash it, guys, flash. Finish it. Go. Okay. No, it's not working. Look, I have example one, right? No, I don't want to multiply. What was that? 8, 49, 4, right? Okay. Everything. 2 and last. Now we have it, okay? Then it's our shape. Yes. B box equal to y. Let's say touch dot 0. That's also 8, 39, 4. B box everything. Go after. Go to 20. Okay. It should be 2020. Then intersect our union. Y and B box. Hop. Image size. Why image size? Go for 8. Is equal to 7. Seems working. It will give us a name score. Alhamdulillah, working. I test only on one example. I'm not testing that complex examples. If you ask why, because the thing is that the logic is working. Problem is I need to convert. I need to optimize it. I mean, I don't need to dive into the complexity of the problem. I need just optimize it. Okay, there's an overunion. It's working. It is working. What is my ballerina? It is working. It is working good, fine. So now. And then okay, total loss. Let's leave it total loss. It is score 1, okay. Oh. It's just 1, okay. Just score 1, and then you score 2 intersect over union. What then? 24, 25, 26, 26 to 29, 26, 27, 28, 29. No, 25, guys, 25. 25, 26, 27, 28. Six, 7, 8. Yes, correct. Object exists. Let's go ahead. 1 plus score 2, 1, 2 with IOU score 2 minus score square. Make sense? Does it make sense? Yes. Makes sense. I always score, guys. I always true. No. I always score. We should check this one. We should check that one. Class count true minus class count add square multiply class count true. And here someone we should be careful about one. Why I use one? Some one means less. So look, we have batch. So some should be two. We don't need. We need you. Okay. Torch dot square root one minus each f1 plus sign of torch square root each f1 dot abc. Score true. What is a score true here? Is it correct? It's a bit hot here now. We should turn on air conditioner. Plus torch square root w 2 minus w hat 2 sine torch square root w hat 2 dot absolute. Take it. I mean, why do I need extra layer of complexity by introducing this one? No, I don't need it. Okay. But definitely I have a problem here. Definitely I have a problem here. Oh, okay. Makes sense. Makes sense. Definitely we have a problem. Oh, where? Mean square error WH 179. 179. I mean, the safest way to do the safest way to do something here, because we have always problem pdb.set trace. I mean, next. Ho ho ho! Same, we need to add some. So what? Okay, okay, good. Some. Why is the value so small? That's bad. Value should not be small. This value is also small. C plus because this value is fine. What is it? Theta chord was 5. I'm a bit angry. It is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, so it's small. Do you think it will be something? Mean square error, confidence score soon. No, it's fine. Oh, we made a mistake. We made a mistake. Stupid typo, stupid typo. I want to continue. Okay, 11. It's so difficult to see it, guys. Huh? I don't know how it might be difficult to maintain this kind of libraries. Oh, we have a problem here. PTH size. Oh, 7 seconds. Improvement.